it's producer Jess here, and I'm headed down to the areas affected by Hurricane Idalia to support our V-teamers as they do what they do best, run to a crisis.
My name is Alex Brosky. I'm the Crisis Response Manager for the state of Florida. We're here at the Temple Terrace office preparing to deploy northward to the affected area where Hurricane Idalia made landfall early this morning up in the Big Bend of Florida. We are now moving everything from small assets to large assets into theater to support first responders in order for them to have the communications that they need in order to be able to do the job that they're going to be doing over the next several days. This is an all-hands-on-deck effort that brings in our dirt teams, our network teams, our sled and fed teams, our retail, really across the board. It's a concerted effort to respond to our customers, to respond to our communities, to ensure that they got the connectivity that they need to talk to loved ones, to perform mission-critical operations in these times of need. And that's what we intend to do here over the next several days.
Connectivity and communication is critical in times like this, and our network engineers and emergency response team is making sure everyone stays safe and connected when they need us most. Stay tuned for more updates from the field. Until next time, you're up to speed.